Tesla Cybertruck prototype spotted with new steel wheels. Will, get this out of my face.
What do you think, huh?
Get this
Steelies?
out of my face. Don't show me stuff like this, dude. I'm trying to envision the cool factor. You know, I've been working on myself. I've been working on my impression of it. And then you show me images like this and you try to remind me that it's an F-150 with a body kit.
But what about the winter time or something?
No.
I would want steelies?
No.
Oh, okay.
Warthog all the time. Tesla Cybertruck prototype has been spotted with new steel wheels as we try to track changes on the beta prototypes. This is not what it's going to look like. Don't worry. This is just like a rough prototype. I promise, guys. Relax, guys. Now a Tesla Cybertruck prototype is spotted at Fremont factory, and it has a bunch of measurement devices. This is just for measuring things. Don't get yourself too worried or concerned. It does have the honker on the front, which of course is the nickname for the single gigantic windshield wiper. Does it have side mirrors? It does have side mirrors as well.
There's some sensors on the side here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Listen, it's got all your cameras, got all your sensors, doing all of your testing. It's not what it's going to look like, Will. You don't have to keep scaring people with these ugly images of steel wheels. It is amazing how big of a factor the wheels play in your impression of what something looks like and how you perceive it.
It's so different now.
If they would have just done the steel wheels in black steel wheels would have been better than this.
Better, yes.
Maybe
just add like a hubcap.
Maybe this is the technique, though, Will. You show it off as ugly as possible so that when it hits hard.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
That's their strategy? Okay.
This clip you just watched is sponsored by LaterCase. If you have been looking for an impossibly thin case to put on your brand new smartphone, you need to check out LaterCase, available for both Android and iPhone. Check the description of this clip in order to get a special offer.